So starting off that morning, we were flying through the air, and now we're down on the ground, following that yellow Porsche around. Was pretty cool. I do want, like I said in the last video, I do want to really set it up to where I can put a mic on the drone, but it's a little scary. But it'd be so cool. We're at 3-piece US Evo Performance, or however you want to call these guys, but these guys basically specialize in making wheels and customizing you know, one-of-one wheels and stuff like that. 3-piece US. I believe TJ Hunt has also been down here before, but if I had a BMW, it'd be like that. Kind of looks like a 240, all the colors and everything. Let's go ahead and check out some cars around here. I know, flying through the air, we've seen some cool builds. Being on ground is a lot different though. Alright, so starting off basically where the place is at. A couple of Lexuses, MR2, the 3 Series BMW, E30, comment down below. E90 right next to it, Type R, that's what's over here. And then coming over here, something I've seen super attractive. This thing's kind of in that gold that the Smoky Supra was in. Right next to, of course, the Lamborghini. Oh yeah, the secret place. And you copy out. That's such a long Instagram name, but it's a cool wrap, looks like. Nice. One day, guys, all you gotta do is subscribe, watch the videos, help your boy out. You guys stick with me. Well, I'll be driving in one of these someday. A Huracan. Morning. Not to bug him over here. This thing's clean. Wow. Yeah, that guy's everywhere just like I am, doing this whole entire camera thing. Cars and pics, this is Instagram. So much lime green work done to that engine bay. Sick. And this is something crazy I've never seen before. Coming over here, my favorite. This thing right over here, sorry. I was pointing in the wrong direction. He's got an old RS steering wheel. Nice. The modern swap, of course. I feel like nobody keeps the old blocks anymore because they're not that powerful or reliable or even easier to source parts. But this thing is sick. I like the cage work done, half cage. That spoiler's pretty sick too. Gladiator, Baja Boss, Mickey Thompson. Ew, this guy got money. That's pretty crazy right there. That's how a wheel starts off, and then it's all turned into that. Holy hell. That's where all that magic happens. All that aluminum shavings down there. That's crazy. Evo Performance wheels. T-shirts for sale and everything in here. Just walking through their shop. Look at those faces. That's how you do a 3-piece wheel. So this isn't 3-piece wheels, but 3-piece US is basically like in the area if you look at Google. Wow. This is a big wheel right here too. That thing is massive. You can see kind of how they have the line marks of how they do that. My question is, how do they do carbon fiber barrels? Is it the same thing or what? Donuts and Wheels is here. Friends Don't Let Friends drive stock. But then again, that's their little truck right there too. That little one. Right in my eardrum, dude. Amazing. I don't know, V10 versus the H6. I think the Porsche has to take it with the way how it shifts. You hear that? That's the Porsche, bro. That thing is insane. I think it was cool flying in the air. I had some carbon fiber bits to it. Small morning, small turnout, but we are going to be headed out to another video, so subscribe so you don't miss that out. That one will be out there tomorrow. Clean. That's a nice Porsche for sure. That's one thing I didn't check out is a E90 over here. Looks like it has the Workmeister wheels on there, but see right now. Type R, T37s in that royal blue color. It's pretty sick. So why do you have your trunk open? Ah, that's why. Airlift performance, clean, simple. Once again, it'd be cool if he changed the whole carpets into black, not just had the main center area. But I like the hard lines going around the tank. That's pretty sick. MR2's got a little turp ski right in there. Dope. What is that, little Gretty coolant cap or something like that? What is that, oil? Nah, it can't be oil. It has to be the coolant. That's coolant right there, but then what is that? It looks like if it's for coolant. I like how he color matched the valve cover head. That's pretty cool. And the Lexus is over here. Tom's exhaust. Nice. Huh. Turning around, got an engine hoist in here, and then got some bad looking Chevys in here. Wow, that one's supercharged and everything. Oh, that's sick.
The pictures of my nephew, he gets a kick out of this stuff.
Out of the cars?
Yeah.
Nice. Yeah, these things are crazy. This is one of the original blocks right here. And then coming over here, you have a SS with a brand new engine in it. From back in the day to now. Corvette LTS. So straight out of a Corvette supercharger. Wow. It's an LT4. Yep. They did a custom with the pipe work back there. Willwood brakes. Of course, these cars will come factory with big brakes, but the size of that coolant tank, I'm pretty sure it's custom as well. Some really nice weld marks. The fabrication of everything. And then a whole on tube chassis front end. Engine block's not even in there yet. The mock-up's there. Wow. Trans tunnel, everything's still being mocked up. It's so cool to see these cars before they're full-on raced, ready. Wow. Look how big those tires are. Jeez. Hey, you see those Willwood brakes? Man, that's crazy. Race cars. Race cars, race cars. Got a big block right over here. Beautiful car. Sounds like the BMW is taking off too. He's like, I found a worthy opponent. Is he gonna do a pulled up? Question mark. Maybe pull. Still sounds nice though. Not too raspy. Something they were talking about, the kids were talking about the diffuser and how wonky it looks. And he's got that center exhaust. It's a beautiful car, man. V8 sounds great. Alright, so Brekkie Club wasn't exactly like full, so like the content was there, but it wasn't too long. But starting off right over here, I have a really cool skyline, a lot of carbon fiber everywhere. The bumper, the rear tail lights, the bezel, front mirrors, mirror caps, the front bumper, and also there's something super cool into detail. Hold on, got all these fast cars over here. So something paying very close into detail on the front end of this. Carbon fiber everywhere on the stain, dude. Carbon fiber lip. And then right over there you had a Civic. I believe this is a photo shoot for Advent Wheels. They are going to be putting one of the cars on the lifts inside of there. I don't have my mic connected right now, but might fly in the air. We're probably going to stay here maybe for like 30 minutes, see what happens. We are very early. Funny because I was on the way over here and some people on the freeway said he's from Saudi Arabia, Dubai and everything, and he tried to scam me and buying his jewelry so he can get gas money, but don't fall for that around here. This is Los Angeles, brother. Nice Alfa Romeo inside. C601, super amazing vehicle. This thing's nice, dude.
Oh, thank you.
Anything done to it or stock for the most part? I know, you don't have to. Oh man. Supercharged 01. Alright, it's insane. Just got those big brakes, everything. Nice. It's a little dusty, but LS9. Man, that thing's sick. Porsche GT3 RS, the Lakers color. It's such a beautiful color. Okay, Taycan on some BBSs, but this is what I was looking at. Take my kidneys, take my soul, whatever you need. Can I just get this already? Man, it's crazy. So I guess there's a meet and greet inside with Mr. Avants. Membership $150 a year. Honestly, that's not a bad price for a yearly thing. I know some other car meets do charge like $15 to $50 a month just to be part of their groups. Obviously, they host bigger and badder things, and obviously hosting at a big venue does take a lot of money. Oh, it sounds so beautiful. But then Mrs. Infinity over here at the Fiat Club, SoCal Abarth, they showed up too, but you know, SoCal Abarth kind of pushed me out of the Abarth team. That's what it is with that. But super cool day out. That's a really nice photo right there from the ZR1 to the GTR. 4 different cultures right there. Nice. It's an amazing day out over here. But now on to the third part of the video, which is going to be tomorrow's video. Yeah, as always guys, stay safe and stay chill.